In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a Google Sheet into Airtable, so you can move your data over quickly and without any headaches. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. First, head over to Airtable and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll need to either open an existing base where you want the data to live, or create a new base from scratch. A base is essentially your project workspace, so pick whichever makes sense for your workflow. Now look for the Add or Import button. It's usually near the top of the screen or within the base you just opened. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose the option to import a CSV file. This is the format Airtable handles best for spreadsheet data. At this point, you'll be prompted to upload your file. Go ahead and select the Google Sheets file you downloaded earlier. A quick tip here, make sure you've already cleaned up your Google Sheet before exporting. That means using clear, simple column headers in the first row, and removing any empty rows or merged cells. Merged cells can cause all sorts of alignment issues during import, so flatten those out. Once you've uploaded the file, Airtable will show you a preview of your fields and formatting. Take a moment to review this. Check that each column is recognized as the right type, like text, number, or date. You can adjust field types here if needed, and it's also a good time to rename any columns to be more descriptive. When everything looks good, click the Import button. Airtable will process your data, and once it's done, you'll want to verify that everything came through correctly. Scroll through your new table and spot check a few rows. Make sure the data matches what you had in your original Google Sheet, and that no columns got dropped or misaligned. If something looks off, you can always undo the import and adjust your source file before trying again. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Google Sheet into Airtable, giving you a clean, structured base to work with. Thanks for watching, and happy building!